और हम ये जो एंट्री बना रहे हैं एक्सपेंस की बना रहे हैं ना।
सॉरी, ओके, ओके, एस दैट 9, ओके, FP01L, SAP 9, more document, post with reference, uh, okay, enter GL account items, display line items, copy the text, enter, enter, okay, 36, 9,000, 4,000, 4, but over here our cost center will be X1002. Company code is PAXI, no, not PAXI. Company code is ZAP9, 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 X1002, X1002, enter. Okay, now ZAP9 company code, item and document, currency, document, simulate, double click. Okay, ZAP9, 36,000, X102. Display document overview. Cash account 45,000. Post 101 was posted in ZAP9. Okay, now KSH1. ZAP fraud. Okay, ZAP9 production cost centers. Cost centers X1001, X1002, X1003. Save. Okay, we're done with this. ASB1. $101. Execute. So we have 45,000 from the previous document, 27 and 18 and 36, 9. Okay, simple. Now, okay, now what do we need over here is change layout. In change layout, we will need Offset. Offset account. Okay, value represent name of offsetting account. And what do we need? Um, document number. Okay, document number. Cost center. Overheads. Where is cost center? Cost element. Cost element. Element. Come on. Okay, offsetting account. Business transaction. Okay, business transaction is there. And reference. Okay. Posted unit of measure. It goes here. Offsetting account type. Okay. Save as. Okay. Save as 1 9 zap. 9 zap. Okay. Primary costing, primary cost posting. Adopt. Okay. Now this is document number generated in CO. The transaction which is coming from CO is coin. We've already given the numbering range. Okay. This is reference document type. This is the account that was used. Reference offsetting account. Offset. Offset means balancing. Yeah. We offset it with against these accounts. So this is a balancing offsetting account. Okay. Next. ASB1N. ASB1N, we have already seen this. And primary cost posting. And we've already seen this 9 zap. Okay. We already have gone through this. Okay. Salary and total quantity. We don't need total quantity, so we'll change this. and total quantity will go out. Cost center. No. Cost center. Company code. Profit center. I can't see it. Okay, fine. Anyways, save layout. Okay, we have cost center over here. Okay, so let's move ahead now. AE5Z, ZAP 9, controlling company, controlling area, posting period is open. 00, all good. Execute. Okay, so we have entered amounts in AED, but it's showing in USD because our controlling area currency is USD. Okay. Our controlling area currency is USD. That's why. And we can add and change our layout again. But let's not spend more time on this. So ASB 5, ZAP 9. Execute. Okay. ASB 1. That. We have document number over here, Control Y, Control C, and KSB 5. Execute. And this actually gives us the amounts in USD. Okay. And we can also select the layout. Select the layout. Okay. Our layout is different again. And let's just not get into this because it's already getting late. Okay. Next is SE11 ACDOCA display. More environment, data browser, table contents, and okay, ZAP 9, 2024. And what else? Execute. Okay, now we have these CO side transactions that we have done with the document numbers. And what are the document numbers over here? These are document numbers from FI, Bellner. Okay. This is the year that was entered, and these are BKPF is the table is what is BKPF? I can't remember, but anyways. Okay. That being said, so this is also one way to actually see these transactions. Okay. Okay. Is B5. Let's repost KB61. And in KB61, what we'll do, (101), enter, execute, does not exist. Check. Okay, we have controlling document. No, we have reference document also. Okay, okay. The zero was one extra zero. There was there in the document number. Okay. Now, what we'll do? This is 27,000 in the first document that we entered. 11,000 and this will be 7,000. Reposting without posting in a FI document. We'll repost it from 101 to 103. Okay. Post. Document was posted under 901. Okay. So 901. We go to SC11, ACDOCA, display, more, environment, data browser, table contents, SAP 9, 2024, execute. So we have SAP 9 is over here. 901 is here, 901. It is actually posting from 101 to 103, and it is using transaction types RKU3 for reposting. We've already configured this. Okay. Okay. Now let's go back KSB1. Zap prod. 9 zap. Execute. Now, if you can see, it's already 90,000, but now we have extra 901 document number 103 as cost center, which has been referenced through CO, within CO, without going to FI, okay, without reversing any document, okay. I guess this is good for today.